we've completed all the talks of the experts and the delegates on time, may I request Pradeep Mehta ji to sort of summarize the session and give his comments, please. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Raghavendra ji, and I think very well moderated, session. So congratulations to
Namaskar,
you.
namaskar.
Ji. And we are almost at the end of day 5, and I think in this last session we had 7 great presentation, 4 by our experts and 3 by our delegates. We started with Sergio, who spoke about the grassland management, the role of these livestock in grassland management, and it was a very good study that needs to be replicated in other areas. I've not come across studies like these from India. I think we need to have more research related to this, so there seems to be immense scope in that. And then we heard from Dr. Lim Luming, who spoke about forage, its growth and quality, nice research that he presented from China. Dr. Long, who spoke about the yak, not only about the technology and yak milk, also about the distribution of yak, the history, and also the nutritional properties of yak milk. And we could see, how the yak milk compared to other, the products is unique, and it still has immense potential. Again, we don't know much about yak milk, and she spoke about some of the great products which I think most of us have not even tasted. And then Dr. Devendra ji from Nepal, he spoke about the niche mountain products, and Nepal has really done great work as far as these niche mountain products are concerned, the biodiversity based niche products. And as I mentioned in one of my sessions, that by default we mountains, we are organic, and there is this scope for marketing of these products, because now the world is aware about organics and natural products, and regions like Nepal and other Himalayan states, and also the other mountain countries, they have this scope of marketing these natural products from the mountains. And also the mountain partnership of FAO, they have the branding of these mountain products, so one can approach the mountain partnership also for these branding of their products. And then we had these 3 excellent presentations by our delegates, Ms. Sumit, who spoke about traditional medicinal plants, the ethnobotany of the different plants which are found in the Chamba region of Himachal Pradesh. And again, we are blessed with the mountains with these medicinal plants and the importance it has. So thank you, Ms. Sumit, for your excellent presentation. Ms. Natalia, who spoke about the ecological and the economic safety management of resources potential, and especially the risk management of agri-entrepreneurship. So enterprises, yeah. And last but not the least, Dr. Valentina, she spoke about the accounting and analysis of meat production, and that was last presentation, but that was again a very good research conducted by them. So excellent presentations, and I think we covered from Europe, Eurasia, Asia, all the regions of mountains. So thank you very much. And we come to this end of this day 5, and over to you, Hasrat, for any announcement or just finding the day.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Pradeep, and my very old friend and my colleague and my co-worker. We were together, Raghu and me were together like 4 years together, yes. So Raghu was in DFID, the advisor in DFID, and he's a very senior person, no doubt. These days he's the self-entrepreneur, but he has excelled a lot many things. He actually was running one company on organic farming as well. So he's himself did organic farming and organic production enterprise himself. So that's why I invited him for this session to moderate.
Thank you,
And
Azhar bhai.
Dr. Pradeep, no doubt, is very well known in Uttarakhand and in the mountain region across the world these days. He is very closely associated with Mountain Partnership. As I understand, you based in Nainital, isn't it?
Yes, I'm from Nainital, but based at Dehradun right now.
Okay, right. Okay, fine, fine. Okay. So, yes. So Dr. Pradeep has been assisting and helping us in a lot, in a very, very exclusive way. So thank you, you both of you, for moderating wonderfully this nice session. And tomorrow we will have interesting day on livestock and transhumans, pastoralism, transhumans, livestock. World-renowned experts will be with us, and very well-known people all will be with us tomorrow. And I request everyone to come and then listen to them. One announcement I want to make here, we have done little changes in session 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 9.1, 9.2, and 9.3 has been completely vacated. But we will come with a new package, like when we have the lunch or we have the dinner. So we usually have at the last dessert very sweet ice cream. So we will shortly plan it out and repackage 9.3, and we will circulate the special invitation to everyone. So thank you so much, and tomorrow we will meet again. Have a
Thank
good
you
luck
very much.
tomorrow.
Thanks
Thank
very
you
much.
all, and have a great evening and have a great day.